Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials. PAN, the mobile number linked to your PAN, and an email you can access right now. Once done, go to the official Cibil portal or an authorized partner and choose the option to view your Cibil score. You will enter name, date of birth, and PAN, then request an OTP. When the OTP arrives, type it in immediately. This confirms identity and advances you to the next step. Once identity is verified, choose whether you want a one-time Cibil report or a subscription for ongoing monitoring, because costs differ, one-time versus monthly. Next, complete payment using card, net banking, or UPI and note the transaction reference for records. After payment, the platform performs deeper verification. This may take a few minutes. When complete, the system generates your credit score and summary. Make sure to read the summary lines that explain score bands and recent account activity. Now download the Cibil report as a PDF and store it securely. Also send a backup to your email so you have redundancy. Carefully review the score, account statuses, any late payments, and recent hard inquiries. These explain why the score is at its current level. If you spot mistakes, file an online dispute through the portal, attach supporting documents, and note the dispute ID. Troubleshooting tip: if OTP or payment fails, retry with a different browser or clear cache. Then contact support with your transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.